The info panel. The info panel will give us more details about any selected file. So here I have this image file selected here, okay? But if I go across the top, they don't all fit. Notice I have a double arrow right here. If I click on that double arrow, you can see I can come down to info. And when I go to info then, it tells me it's a still image, tells me its resolution, it tells me if it's tape, when it cut in, cut out type of thing. But it gives me the basic information that that is in our details of our particular model file. Now, to get back to where you're going, just click on the double arrows, go back to project, and you're back to normal. So I could come down here and click on a video and come up here, go to info. It'll give me information about my video. When I'm done, come back and I can go back to my normal view looking at my project in my project panel.